Viewers, in this video, we'll see the simplification of Boolean function using Karnaugh map, K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we need to simplify the following Boolean function using the Karnaugh map, K-map. The function given as f of w, x, y, z. There are 4 variables available, right? It's a 4 variable K-map. It is given as a sum of minterms are given. Directly the sum of minterms are given. The sum of minterm 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Right? These minterms are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 terms are available. Right? So we need to mark these 11 terms in the K-map, then we need to go for the simplification. So there is a 4 variable K-map, right? Here 14 is available. So definitely, suppose sometime this way x, y, z is not given in the problem. From the minterm we can easily identify 14. 14 means definitely there will be we need a 4 variable K-map, that is 2 to the power 4 is 16. Right, 2 to the power 4, 16 combinations are available. So definitely here 14 is there. So we need 4 variable K-map. Now we'll go to the K-map, right? W, X, Y, Z. There are 4 terms are available, right? So this WX is represented in the horizontal manner, in a vertical manner. YZ is represented in a horizontal manner, right? WX available this side, YZ available this side, right? How to represent WX is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? So there is a interchange between 1, 1 and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 is given in the 4th row. 1, 1 is given in the 3rd row. So always there is a interchange between the exchange between the 3rd and 4th row. Similarly, this YZ is given 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, right? 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0 is given in the 4th column. 1, 1 is given in the 3rd column. So there is a interchange between 3rd and 4th column here also. Similarly, row as well as column 3rd and 4th is interchange. Right. Now this 0, 0 means W bar X bar. 0 means the 1 means we can write as it is X. 0 means we have to write the complement. Right. So 0, 0 is W bar X bar. 0, 1. 0 is W bar, 1 is written as it is X, right? Then 1, 1 means we can write as it is W and X, right? Directly what is available here, directly written. 1, 0. 1, 0 means W, 0 is nothing but X is nothing but X bar, right? Similarly here, 0, 0 means Y bar, Z bar. 0, 1. 0 is Y bar, Z. 1, 1 means YZ. YZ is written as it is. 1, 0, Y, Z bar. This 0 is represented as bar, Z bar, right? So these are all represented. So this first cell is nothing but Y bar, X bar, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z, the first cell. The second cell is Y bar, X bar, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. The third cell is W bar, X bar, Y, Z. Like that we can represent. Similarly, in the binary number is nothing but this first cell is 0, 0, 0, 0. Second cell is 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that we can represent. But in this problem, the minterms are directly given. Right? So the minterms are represented by the red color numbers. These are all the minterms. 0, 1, 2, 3. The 0 is nothing but it is this M0. M0 is nothing but is equivalent to W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. That is simply represented as a minterm 0. In order to go for a simplification, we are having minterms. Right. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. That is a interchange. Similarly, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, in the column also, row also interchange. Right. The 8 is represented in the fourth row. 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Then 12, 13, 14, 15. So these red color numbers are nothing but here minterms, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 interchange. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So these minterms are directly we can represent it in the K-map by referring this red color number, right? So there are three ways available. One is we can see this wx, w bar, x bar, y bar, z. Like that we can mark. Otherwise we can see this number 0, 0, 0, 0. Third method is directly given by Minterm. So this is very easy to represent the Minterms. Right. Now we will mark this Minterm as a 1 in the K map. Right. The 0 is given. So the 0 is 1. 1 is also available. 1. Right. Then 2 is also available. 3 is not available. 3 is not available in the list. So it is marked as 0. Then 4 is available. 5 is available. 6 is available. 7 is not available. This 7 is not available. So marked as 0. Then 8 is available. 9 is available. Right. 10 and 11 is not given. Here 10 and 11 is not available. After 9, 12 only. So 10 and 11 is not available. So marked as 0. Then 12 is available. 13 is available. 14 is available. 15 is not given. It is given up to 14. 15 is not given. So marked as zeros. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 terms are marked as zeros. Right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11 terms are marked as ones. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 11 terms are marked as zeros. The terms not given here is marked as zeros. Other terms are marked as 1. Now we need to go for a grouping of this cell in order to find the simplified expression. In order to find the simplified expression, we need to group. First we need to say any 8 grouping is available. We can able to group 8 cell. Then we can able to see that 4 cell grouping. Then 2 cell. Then finally only 1 cell. If nothing is possible, only 1 cell. Right. First we will see that any 8 cell grouping is possible. We need to identify. Otherwise, then only we need to go for 4 cell grouping. Right. First we will see 8 cell grouping. So any 8 cell grouping is available. These 8 cells can be grouped together. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. These 8 cells can be grouped together. So we are having 8 cell grouping is available. Right. After grouping this, these 3 ones are available in a alone. These 2 ones we need to consider. Right. These 2, 1, 2, 3 ones are available. We can group these 2 ones, but we will try to group 4 cells. Then only 2 cells. Then so that we'll get the simplified expression. Expression will be further simplified. So we can group these 2 cells. Similarly, these 2 cells, but we need to avoid that. These 2 ones can be grouped this side. Right. This right and left grouping of right and left corner. These 2 ones and these 2 ones are grouped so that we can get 4 cell grouping. Similarly, these 2 ones can be grouped with these 2 ones. This right and left corners. So that we are getting 4 cell grouping. Right. So we'll try to get 4 cell grouping. If not possible, then only we can go for 2 cell grouping. Right. So we can group these 2 ones. Similarly, these 2 ones. The grouping of 3 cell is not permitted. Grouping of 3 cell is not permitted. Only 2 cell is permitted. We can group these 2 and these 2. But there is a possibility of grouping these 2 cells with these 2 cells. Right and left corners. So that we can get 4 cell grouping. Similarly, these 2 ones can be grouped together with these 2 cells. So that we are getting the 4 cell grouping. So totally now we have the 3 groupings are available. 1 8 cell grouping, 1 and 2 4 cell grouping. Right. This blue color represent 8 cell grouping. This green color represent first 4 cell grouping. This red color represent second 4 cell grouping. Now we need to go for a simplified expression. We need to find the simplified expression. Right. Now these 8 cells are grouped together. Now we need to refer this column. These 4 columns. Similarly, these 2 4 rows. Similarly, these 2 columns. From this we can identify the simplified expression. Right. So while grouping these 8 cell, we need to refer these 4 rows. See, this W bar X bar is cancelled by WX, because W bar W cancel, X bar X cancel. W bar X is cancelled by WX bar. Right. This W bar is cancelled by W. This X bar is cancelled by X is cancelled by X bar. So all terms are cancelled. This row side, all terms are cancelled. Now this see the column side. Y bar Z bar. Y bar Z. See, this Z bar and Z is got cancelled. Only we have y bar, right? So that is given here. This is the first term, grouping of 8 cells, y bar, right? So while grouping 8 cell, we have to refer the corresponding row side as well as column side. While referring row side, all terms are got cancelled, because here w bar is available means here w available. X bar means here x available, got cancelled. W bar w got cancelled. X bar x got cancelled. Similarly, all terms are cancelled. While referring the column side, this y bar is available. Z bar z got cancelled. Only we have y bar, right? This is the first grouping. Second grouping is these two cells and these two cells. This right side and left side. Now correspondingly we have to refer these two rows, first row and second row. What is available here? W bar x bar, W bar x. So that x bar got cancelled. Only we have W bar, right? Correspondingly we have to refer the first row, first column and last column, because we group in first column and last column. What is available here? Y bar z bar, y z bar. So this y bar y got cancelled. Only we have z bar, right? So that is available here. So we have w bar and z bar, right? Here x bar x cancel, only we have w bar. In these two terms, this y bar y cancel, only we have z bar, right? This is the second term. That is the green color grouping of 4 cell represented by the green color. Now we'll see the another grouping is available. These two ones and these two ones are grouped together, right? So correspondingly we have to refer second row and third row. Similarly here, first column and fourth column. This second row and third row, what is available? W bar x, W x. So that the W bar W got cancelled. Only we have x is there. Similarly, first column and fourth column, we already discussed. Y bar y cancel, only we have z bar, that is z bar. So x z bar. While grouping the 4 cell represented by the red color box, what we have? X z bar, right? So in this problem, there are 11 min terms are given, that is marked in the K map, simply by referring this red color number. Then we grouped these 8 cells, then these 4 cells, right? We'll try to group 4 cell. If not possible, then only we go 2 cell. Thereafter only 1 cell, right? So there are possibility of 4 cell grouping is available. Then by referring the corresponding column and row, we got the simplified expression. That is y bar y mean that got cancelled. Z bar z mean that only available. Y bar got cancelled. So finally we got this expression. The function f equal to y bar plus w bar z bar plus x z bar. This is a simplified expression from the K map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.